Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marathi YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about flag state control and port state control and all. So let's discuss about this two topic: flag state control and port state control. Flag state control. In relation to ship, the country in which it is registered is known as flag state. The country in which the ship is registered is known as flag state. It is the duty of the flag state to ensure the ship entitled to fly its flag and is safely constructed, equipped, and subsequently properly maintained and manned as per regulation based on the international convention developed by IMO for this purpose. So, it is a duty of the flag state to ensure that ship entitled to fly its flag is safely constructed, equipped, and subsequently properly maintained and manned as per regulation based on the international convention developed by IMO for this purpose. When a country exercises control over a ship that is registered in their country, such control is known as flag state control. When a country exercises control over a ship that is registered in their country, such control is known as flag state control. Okay, flag state control means in relation to ship, the country in which it is registered is known as flag state. It is the duty of flag state to ensure that ship entitled to fly its flag is safely constructed, equipped, and subsequently properly maintained and manned as per regulation based on international convention developed by IMO for this purpose. When a country exercises control over ship that is registered in that country, such country is known as flag state control. Then flag state carries out survey and inspection on vessel for insurance and various statutory certificates. So flag state carries out survey and inspection on vessel for insurance and various statutory certificates. Then flag state control is limited to ensure that valid certificates are on board, that is statutory certificate. Flag state control is limited to ensure that valid certificates are on board, that means statutory certificate. Flag state carries out survey and inspection of vessel for issuance of various statutory certificates. So flag state control is limited to ensure that valid certificates are on board, that means mainly statutory certificate. Then port state control. Port state control means the country visited by a ship other than flag state, that is port of registry or port state. The country visited by ship other than flag state, that is port of registry or port state. Ship trade internationally and have to call at various ports of the world. Another ship is trading internationally and have to call at various ports of the world. Many ships may not call at their home ports for a considerable period of time, and it is possible that during a certain period of time, ship certificate may not have been renewed or maintained. Therefore, it is important that ship must be inspected at various ports to ensure compliance with the rule requirements as regards safety, compliance, maintenance, manning, etc. When such control is exercised on ship by a country other than flag state is called port state control. Okay, we know that ship trade internationally and have to call at various ports of the world. Many ships may not call at their home port for a considerable period of time, so it is possible that during a certain period of time, ship certificate may not have been renewed or maintained. Therefore, it is important that ship must be inspected at various ports to ensure the compliance with the rule required as regards safety, maintenance, and manning, etc. When such control is exercised on ship by a country other than flag state is known as port state control. Flag state control and port state control are similar, and the aim is to ensure safe, secure, and efficient shipping on a clean ocean as parameters by IMO. Flag state control and port state control are similar, and the aim is to ensure safe and secure and efficient shipping on clean ocean as parameters by IMO. The authority to exercise port state control is contained with the provision of various IMO conventions. So, authority to exercise port state control (PSC) inspection is contained with the provision of the various IMO conventions. SOLAS 1974 Convention Chapter 1 Regulation 19 and Chapter 9 Regulation 4. SOLAS 1974 Convention Chapter 1 Regulation 19 and Chapter 9 Regulation 4. MARPOL 73/78 Convention. MARPOL 73/78 Convention. International Convention on Load Line in 1966 Article 21. International Convention on Load Line in 1966 Article 21. Convention on International Regulation for Preventing Collision at Sea 1972, that is COLREG. Convention on International Regulation for Preventing Collision at Sea 1972, COLREG. STCW Convention 1978, STCW 1978, ILO Convention number 147, ILO Convention number 147. These all mentioned about authority to exercise PSC is contained with provision as per various IMO conventions and all. Thank you.